Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to watch a story on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have, as you can see in the middle, we have your camera where you can go and take snaps and send them to your friends. In the bottom left corner, we have the location and all of your chats. I won't be opening that because I have some personal chats there. In the bottom right corner, we have spotlights where you can check out videos of some people. And the thing that is important to us is the option how you can actually go and watch a story on Snapchat. Well, basically, you'll need to go and click on the fourth option out of all of these. And then, as you can see on the top, it says stories. Underneath, there will be your friends and their stories. So you have the stories first time with your friends. So you have to add some friends to have them here, and so that you can go and watch their stories. Also, you have some people that you can follow, some famous people that you have in your following. And you will have the Discover where you can discover new things and the new stories that people are posting and having their live stories there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.